Hi everyone, this is Gleeza made with Glee. In today's video, I'm participating in the Fall Lantern collaboration being hosted by the lovely Kenya from Kenya's Decor Corner. Kenya wanted us to decorate our lantern to fall and share how we use them in our home, how we display them in our home. And you've seen, or I've shared with you guys, I don't know if you've seen it or not, but I've shared with you guys how I decorate my lanterns for the summer. And for the fall, I basically took all the greenery out and added in all the fall colors. So starting with the lantern itself, it is a lantern I made from Dollar Tree frames. The certificate size, no, that one was I believe was like a 8x10, the gold, and in it is pretty much everything from the dollar store except for the candles. The candles are LED, they come on at a specific time automatically. Now the base or the tray itself is actually a wall hanging, like a galvanized metal unfinished wall piece that you can pick up like at Michael's or Joann's, but I'm using it as a tray. I haven't decided on what color I wanted to paint it, so it's been in its raw state, and it's on top of my stack of encyclopedias. Now here it is lit up, and again, like I said, everything inside is from the Dollar Tree, from the ribbons, the garlands, the pumpkins, even the little owl, all came from Dollar Tree, and of course, you know, the leaves. And I finally was able to take the lights off and show you guys how things look in the dark. Just so you don't think I have these candles and they don't really light up, because they really do light up. I try to keep on it with the batteries. So everything you see in my lantern is from the Dollar Tree. I love the ribbons they have. I really like the plaid, and the pumpkin ribbon is very pretty. So again, that's how I decorated with the first lantern in my house, and you may notice that floral arrangement, that's from the Midsummer collaboration in its usual home. Now this is my second lantern, and you have not seen this part of my house. This is the family room where we watch TV and just hang out. So there is a table behind the sofa. I painted that table many years ago, and on it I have the lantern. Again, this one is made from dollar store frames. You can probably see some glue on there and stuff, but it's made from the Dollar Tree frames. And inside, again, everything from the Dollar Tree. The pumpkins, the garland, the ribbons, the green, orange, and black and white ribbons all came from Walmart clearance. I think I mentioned that to you guys in an earlier video. So that's everything that's in that particular lantern. Just 3 of the pumpkins, a candle, and 1 garland, and that's about it. And just my bows, I make my own unique, or I try to, a combination of Arlen's funky bows and other people's bow methods. Oh, and there's that Dollar Tree thankful sign that I hauled a while ago. So that's pretty much it. And yes, we do have a bowl of snacks behind the sofa, you know, when we're watching TV and stuff, yes. So I try to regulate how many snacks come out at a time. If not, everybody will eat all the Doritos and leave everything else. Or you know how it goes when you have people in your house for your family. So I try to keep a mix out. And this is how this lantern looks all lit up. So thank you, Kenya, for the fun collaboration. I enjoyed participating. I look forward to checking out the playlist. I will be linking both Kenya's channel and the playlist in the description box below. Thank you for watching, liking, and subscribing, everyone. Have a wonderful day.